going on, guys? We're back with another, of course, $100 mystery box, courteous of Tripleperk Gaming. You know, the greatest, of course, Funko Pop company around. I had messed up that there for a second. But anyways, guys, we're back to another unboxing with, of course, my friend Ryan over here. So, of course, no surprises or anything. Let's get right into it.
Sweet.
All right. So, of course,
a beast of a box.
Oh man, here we go. That first seal.
This box
broken.
is like taller than me, dude.
I don't. I feel like this box is bigger than the last one.
It's huge.
Like I still have the other box. Like we can do a size comparison. I swear. This one's bigger.
Sure.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's a bunch of bubble wrap.
And pops on pops on. Courteous, the greatest amount of bubble wrap. You want to go ahead and take that guy out? Oh man.
Holy crap. Alright, let's put that to the side again. And we'll pull out. I'll pull a couple. Careful, hide. Holy crap. Yeah, take some of those. This is ridiculous. I'm gonna throw some right here on the ground, so be careful. Okay. Alright, let's get into it. Dude.
Alright.
Let's just start grabbing some pops. There's a crap.
Start going at it, yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and just, I already see this series. And go ahead.
Yeah, 1, 2. Alright, 1,
yeah.
2. Let's hit it.
All these, courtesy from Tripleperk Gaming. This is basically a huge Marvel Boom collection pool. Right here in the grand middle, you have Venomized Groot. Beautiful looking pop, well designed. Next one we have is, of course, Venomized Ultron. One great, smooth looking pop as well. Good old silver and everything. Last but not least, only so few people would probably know unless you guys are big, huge Marvel comics. This is Beta Ray Bill. Beta Ray Bill was one of the few that actually defeated Thor in combat and actually was the actual wielder of Stormbreaker, not Thor.
Yeah.
So fun fact for you guys.
I think you should do this one right here next, since you love that one.
Oh man. This one, I know I basically won one of his mystery box kind of raffle tickets, and I said, hey, you know, I don't really need anything much to show, but, you know, he went ahead and sent me one of these to help me out with my collection. This is the Kazekage of the Sand,
You're shaky
Gara.
with it.
Oh man. Yeah, I'm shaky with it.
Not even just that. Which is cool because he has, you know, this guy.
And that. And that.
Yeah.
The great legendary Somnine. I do have, I think, 3 Narutos in my collection too as well. So adding Gara to it, definitely great. I'm so happy about that. Thank you, Tripleperk. You're amazing.
Okay. We put those back over there. Okay. I think we should do these two. Right in there. Yeah, these two are fun. Right. Cool. So we got Black Widow. So I think I have Black Widow at my house. I have the. I want to say it's the mass version of Black Widow, but I do own Black Widow. I don't know which one I own, but I know I do own Black Widow.
That
one's pretty cool.
Amazon exclusive is, of course, from the Avengers, is War Machine. Good old War Machine, good old pals with good old Iron Man and all that good stuff.
That one's a pretty cool pop though. Alright.
I think I'll go ahead and show this one. This one is a very unique one.
Oh, yeah. I actually seen that one in the stores one time.
I've only seen it in his pictures, and I'm actually, oh man, like, but this is a special one. It's an Entertainment Earth exclusive. It's Captain America, but instead of normal Funko Pop form, it's him in a wood style form. So one heck of a, oh man, it's beautiful. Like, I love the wood finish and everything on it.
It's pretty cool.
No, it's not authentic wood or anything like that. I really wish, but it just, that finish just looks crazy.
Alright, I think this one's dope. It has a bunch of detail. And it's backwards. Sorry.
He's like, detail. Oh wait, it's backwards. That's the Knights of Ren. I think it should be a Walmart exclusive.
I don't know anything about Star Wars, so.
I've not seen any of the new Star Wars movies.
So we don't know anything about Star Wars, guys. We are what you call noobs.
Yikes. I mean, we got Baby Yoda last time around, Boba Fett, So of course, adding Knights of Ren into the collection.
It's pretty cool. Yeah, it's dope.
Alrighty.
What else you got over there? Oh, snap. And a soft protector. You got another soft protector over there? Probably say that's for last.
Boom. Yeah.
Okay.
Soft protectors. Soft protectors.
Oh.
Oh man, this one definitely go great. This is a PAX exclusive. It is anime, but it is Super Saiyan 2 Vegeta. Oh man, this is gonna look gnarly right next to my Goku. Oh man, this is gonna look nasty next to Goku. Man, and I'm kind of hurt that I've never seen Dragon Ball Z before, but I mean, once I finish Naruto, the gates are open. I mean, any new anime.
You'll have plenty of time.
Yeah.
This one's freaking dope, dude. Well, bam.
So from the movie Trolls.
Trolls. And I think we got the Trolls. Did we get Trolls last time?
Yeah, we did. We got a glow-in-the-dark King Troll or something like that.
And now we got...
Who
is it Guy Diamond?
Yeah,
yeah,
it is.
Guy Diamond, yep. That one's pretty neat. I like that one a lot. Has a lot of detail on it, too. And plus you get the little troll. Or
it's like a little mini with it.
Yeah.
A little pocket mini or something with it.
That one's pretty
It's a neat little...
I do like that one.
I think last... Oh, whoa. This was not what I thought it was. So at first I thought like this was Ultraman from Barnes & Noble, but instead, psych, get jebaited. It's Ultraman, but instead is a glow-in-the-dark Tokyo, or Toy Tokyo San Diego limited edition. Like, wow. I just got jebaited. I just got jebaited. I was about to be like, hey, I've seen this at Barnes & Nobles all the time, and then, pff, oh, it's a glow-in-the-dark. Yo, I think this is going to look nasty.
No, it is going to look nasty for sure.
Oh, man.
You still have more pops in that box next to you?
Actually, wow, I do not.
Okay. I was going to say, we have a lot of pops. This is ridiculous.
Yeah, right? I'm anxious to see. I'm going to post a picture on my Instagram with this, like, because this looks like it would be glow in the dark, like crazy.
No, I think it will do,
like,
too. It's gonna
this thing will light up like the sun.
We'll put it against some LEDs
yeah,
and get it
I'll
going.
get a picture of this when it's fully, like, I guess, like, glow in the dark activated and everything. I don't know what you want to call it. But, wow, I just got jebaited big time with that one.
I'll let you do the last two because we got something insane over here.
Yeah. Last two, both of them are in pop protectors. One of which one do I do first?
I would do the green one first.
Green one first?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Well, this one is a 2020 Spring Convention Limited Edition. And is, of course, good old He-Man Slime Pit Edition. So, of course, he's got that kind of slime look and everything like that. Great overall pop. I've seen this kind of pop around. I haven't seen it in stores.
I don't think I've seen that one in stores.
But that is the first one. I like the green. The green of it and everything is well done. Even the sword isn't bent or anything. That's awesome.
That one is nice though.
Last one, I think will definitely mean a lot. This goes to the Marvel Avengers series as well. This is the Gamerverse Iron Man. He looks like he's souped up, ready to go. But he is, of course, a bobblehead that I do see as well. So definitely will fit in well with War Machine to go next to it. You got Black Widow to go along with it. I don't think we have any more Marvel pops that I see.
I don't think so. No, we got the 2-pack.
Yeah,
2-pack.
we got the 2-pack, and then I got Captain Marvel, Rambo, and Goose the Cat. So we definitely have a huge Marvel collection going, which is really awkward. Like we weren't really shooting for it, but we're noticing that we got a collection. So
continue it.
Sooner or later, we'll get those finished as well. Alrighty.
Are you going to want to move that one over, bud? This one's huge. All right. Here we go.
Oh, this right here is the granddaddy of them all. Ugh.
Oh, you can see the lights in the
no.
There you go.
There we go. Right here. Huckleberry Hound. Oh, man.
10-inch version of him, too. He's huge.
This is our first 10-inch pop.
Yeah, that one's... He takes up a lot of counter space.
Lord have mercy.
But he's freaking awesome.
This is a chunk. I know where I'm going to put this. I've cleared off space and everything for this.
Honestly, I'd say take it out of the box, man.
And it will be out of the box.
Yeah, we can do it
but
what we're waiting for.
This will be our first pop that we put out on the table, out of the box.
We're going to get a spin table here pretty soon, so Trying to get an overhand camera so you guys can see more in detail, of course. But yeah, I think this will be the first one.
Try and be gentle with it.
Bam, there we go. This is the background.
Heavy as can be.
Boom. That right there is freaking awesome, dude.
Like that one. First 10-inch pop.
Out of the box.
Out of the box. No, I cleared off actually a little space. I have a filing cabinet over behind me a little bit for my streams and stuff. I kind of cleared that off because I had a feeling that we were going to get one of these in sooner or later. And then I always asked Ryan, I said, hey, if we get a 10-inch pop, what are we going to do?
Told him to figure it out. It's like,
He
I
said,
don't have room in my house for a 10-inch
he
pop.
looked at me and said, I don't know. That's on you, buddy.
Yeah. Dude, his head is the size of one pop. Almost. This is one pop compared to his head.
Lord.
He's a big pop.
Alright, well, like we always do, we're going to go get the prices on everything. We're going to tally it all up. We're going to check out the value
We're going to get you
of
a
this
total.
mystery box. Don't click that X button.
I'll
Hey,
be right back.
I see y'all. Don't do it. Don't do it. Welcome back, guys. Glad you didn't hit that X button. Alright. The moment you've been waiting on.
This is pretty good.
This is dang good. So first things first, I'll go ahead and get my favorite out of the way. Gara, of course. He was worth $10. So, well, good pop, and I am happy and ecstatic that I get to add him to the collection. That's just one more knocked out of the park there. So I think actually that should actually get all of season. No, I think I'm missing like the first Naruto, and then I'll have the. No, actually, nope. I have the running one.
Yeah.
So I have all 4 of these ones. So this wave is done. I think this one is like wave 2 or wave 3. I think. So that wave is done and completed. So I have a couple more to get.
Sweet. So
Next one, Ultraman.
he is valued at $10. So hey, pretty good. That always hit. What's his face in the head?
Mm-hmm.
He's huge. Yeah, $10. That's not bad.
Next but not least, PAX exclusive Vegeta. He is worth $9.
That's pretty good.
He'll of course look good right next to my Super Saiyan Goku. So pretty ecstatic about that as well.
This is King of Ren. Is that how you say it, right?
Knights of Ren.
Knights of Ren, sorry. I don't know why I said King. Knights of Ren's going to be... Where's he at? Where's he on the list? I don't see him. Oh, there he $10 from Ren. Not bad.
Let's see here. Gamer vs. Iron Man. He is of course worth $15. So Gamerverse, Target exclusive, and of course that good old pop box go along with it. Good old nice and neat, keep things all good.
I'll do Groot because I can't find that one on your list.
No worries.
Alright, Venomized Groot. It's going to be worth
$10.
$10.
Let's see here. Beta Ray Bill. That took us a minute to find. He is actually worth, where did we get him at? We got him at $21, surprising enough. Walgreens exclusive, and of course a good iconic character within the Marvel Comics.
And this is one that actually really shocked me a lot. Was Black Widow. And you know what? Because the other Black Widow I have, she's worth like $35 or something like that. But this one's worth $18. So, hey, that's a good hit.
Our other pop and a pop protector was Slime Pit He-Man. Slime Pit He-Man was honestly probably one that I was surprised about with the pricing. But he's actually worth $19, believe it or not. I really thought he'd be kind of like a regular kind of pop, probably about like $9, $10 or so, but that extra kind of oomph into it to make it 19, that was what really surprised me the most.
You want to do Captain America?
Yeah. Our wood style Captain America, he was worth, of course, $15. So, good. This is actually probably one of the most unique pops that we have in our collection. But I will probably enjoy this one the most.
Alright, next one right here. Guy Diamond from the movie Trolls. And surprisingly, he's worth $20. So I was not expecting that one. I don't know about you, but hey, and he's a pretty cool pop too. We do have, is it King Trollex?
Mm-hmm.
We have King Trollex. So we're missing a couple trolls, and I guess we'll start to collect them for now on. But hey, we just need 3 more to complete that set. So that's not bad.
I think we started like probably like 5 like different sets like that were near completing. So I feel like over time, like probably, I mean, can't tell you when, but we'll hopefully get to say that, hey, we completed this set. One of the last ones of the Venomized that we got was Venomized Ultron. This one, of course, will probably go and pair along with our Venomized Groot that we have. He was, of course, worth about, let's see here, where did we have him at? Do we even have him on here? We did, at $10. Okay.
No, we did. We had
it. Was like, we had the list, oh man.
And or not, or as our last pop that we got in the box, it's going to be War Machine. And War Machine is at $9. So, they want another grand total. Hit them with the grand total.
Well, for one, we actually missed a pop. That was good old big guy right there.
I forgot that. We did miss a pop.
10-inch Huckleberry Hound actually didn't have a pricing on Pop Price Guide or, of course, the Funko app. I believe, of course, since it was really, really recent of it being sold, should I say. But of course we did look on eBay and everything else to kind of get an average price, but as far as like the lowest average was around $40. We did see people probably peaking it around like $55 to $60. So of course, do a little bit of digging. You'll probably find someone for a better price deal versus trying to pay that $60, $70 for it.
But we did the lowest value we could find, which was 40. And to me, 40 bucks seems pretty, dead on.
It's fair.
Yeah,
it's fair.
Because probably in stores it's probably $29.99. If
somewhere in there, yeah,
$39.99. So.
But a good iconic character to go along with it and everything like that. But I enjoy all these pops and everything. Our first 10-inch pop.
Yeah.
We got Gara to go along with my collection. We got Vegeta to go along with the Dragon Ball Z collection that we have going. And I believe, honestly, the theme of this one was just Marvel.
Yeah, I would say Marvel for sure.
I think, what do we got?
What was your favorite pop, though?
Favorite pop? Ooh. That's a hard one. I'll probably go with the wood-style Captain America. And then, glow-in-the-dark Ultraman. I bet you will probably look awesome.
Yeah.
And then...
I'm going to have to go with Huckleberry. It's probably my favorite. Not because he's big, it's just because he's probably the coolest one to me.
You like the iconic vintage stuff, though.
I do. I really do like the iconic vintage stuff. I'm gonna have to go with King or Knight of Ren. So it's probably my favorite. He looks cool. He looks dark and
mysterious.
Mysterious and everything. Yeah, it's probably my second favorite. But yeah. Otherwise, pretty cool Marvel theme for sure.
Yeah, it was a great solid box. Again, this was all a $100 mystery box, courtesy of Tripleperk Gaming. As far as total value, it was $217 total value.
We paid $100 for it.
So for $100, I mean $115 if you want to include shipping.
Shipping, yeah.
But to get basically double that value back,
it's great.
I'm not complaining at all.
No,
I'm not complaining at all.
We're building the collection even bigger than ever.
Like I'm gonna have to get a bookshelf. Like I think, after the next big box that we get, I'm gonna have to get a bookshelf.
So.
But anyways, guys, I think that wraps up our video here. Guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to like, leave a comment, let us know which one your favorite was.
Yeah. Check out some of our other videos we got going on.
Definitely.
We got some pretty good stuff on there. But otherwise, I think that's
yeah, we're gonna wrap it up.
Yeah.
Guys, this has been Pop Culture Bros, bringing at you another unboxing video. We hope you enjoy. Tune in on stream, twitch.tv/MrJollyJoey if you want to get on some daily content, if you want to see us, of course, boss out on Call of Duty or anything like that live on stream. So go in and check us out there. Other than that, we do have our own personal Instagrams and stuff that we can link in as well. Also, check out Tripleperk Gaming. If you are trying to spice up, of course, your gaming look or your office, well, better way to, of course, go in, try and find you some good Funko Pops and or some good collection pieces to go along with it. So again, check him out as well. We'll make sure and leave his Instagram and everything in the description below as well. But anyways, guys, we're going to go bounce out of there.
Peace out.
See y'all next time.